not enough space for all your minis. All the minis and all the brushes and all the paints and all the tools and all the other fun stuff. So in this video, I'm going to show you some hot tips on how to sort that stuff out. Hey, I'm Dave, and I also live in a tiny apartment with my girlfriend and our dog that's currently whining because we're not paying him attention. So this is my tiny hobby space here. I've got my little desk and 2 shelves on the bookshelf. Huey, what are you doing?
It is about being in a tiny apartment, right?
Yeah, I guess. I'm gonna take his collar off. Buddy. Yeah, I know we're not paying attention. Why don't you just have a sleep? What was I saying? You're gonna put my mic out. It's all still recording?
Yeah, we'll still recording.
Okay, cool. All right, we're back. All my mini hobbying is done on this desk and on these 2 shelves of the bookcase here. So, the desk. This is my work / gaming / painting / filming / editing space. So, a few hot tips. Hot tip time, that's what we're doing. Number 1 is wireless keyboard and mouse and headset, which is not really hobby stuff, but it's so much easier to deal with wireless stuff. And I wasn't a believer until I got these wireless headphones, and now I'm a believer because the cables just get in the way all the time. So get rid of them. So yeah, wireless keyboard and mouse and headphones if you can. Second top tip is a Versa laptop or monitor stand. So this is all on an arm, and I can just swing it out of the way, and that keeps all the desk space clear. So maximizing the desk space, which I love. Third top tip is clamp on lights and not lights that sit on your desk. So this is my old light, clamps on directly, as you can see, so it takes up way less space. And this is my new light up here, and it actually clamps onto my Versa pole. So I'm doing 2-in-1 here with my Versa pole. And I also mount my camera onto my Versa pole as well. So it's like super amazing to save space with that. My next top tip is these bad boys, which are nail polish racks. Yeah, so they're nail polish racks, and they're just really useful for holding paint, and they're super cheap as well, which is handy. They can hold paint, and then you can pull them down when you need to paint out, which is great. Love them. Keeps everything organized. Brushes and tools, you want to keep in boxes of some sort, containers of some sort. So I have the Army Painter wet palette, which is good. But the thing I like about it is it keeps your brushes in the wet palette, along with the, that was a mistake, along with the brushes. Let's just put that away. The other ideas I have is to get a toolbox or a fishing tackle box to store all your stuff. So I have it in a few different boxes, but I want to consolidate it into like one bigger box at some point. So my final hot tip is to use magnets, basically. So this bookcase is from IKEA, and it's made from steel, even though it's painted, but it's all steel. So all my minis are magnetized on the bottom, which is super handy because you can stick them places. Like all these here, they don't get knocked off or bumped and stuff, they stick to the case. The other thing I have is all my painting handles are also magnetized. So all my painting handles are magnetized. So they'll all stack up and save space that way. And then I have these, I call them like a painting paddle. So they're just like a paddle with magnets on it. And then I can hold all my painting handles on there so I can quickly move them about, put them out of the way, things like that. So they're super handy. So yeah, just like magnetize everything you can. Focus on me now. Those are my hot tips. Actually, I was gonna say, I do have a video on magnetizing your minis and making magnetic painting handles and painting paddles. So I'll have a link to that to check it out if you wanna make them yourself. Thanks for watching, and hope you liked my hot tips, fresh from the oven. Cheers. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Woof. Woof.
What's it like having a hobby in a tiny apartment?
It's really annoying.
You care to elaborate?